Diwali is the time of the year when one reflects on the year gone by and looks at the year ahead. If I look at the last year, India has been a good boy in a big bad world. Every country has followed a policy of lose money and in many cases bad fiscal deficit. Japan, China, Europe and even US till now, and it is struggling to come back to normalcy. The big question in the world today is, when does US increase interest rates? Simultaneously, for India, the drop in oil and other commodity prices has worked to its advantage. Therefore, India is in a very good position of a low current account deficit, low fiscal deficit, and a good monetary policy which is leading to real interest rates. So it is in this context I look at the future for India. I am extremely positive for India in the medium term. When I look at the levels of real interest rates, I for the first time believe that investors will make money in financial savings versus gold and real estate. My strong advice to all investors is to keep away from gold and be very selective about real estate investments. The future is in financial assets, which is bank deposits, insurance, mutual funds, direct investment in equities. And I would strongly encourage each of you to build a portfolio of financial assets across this financial spectrum. I do believe that in India, the fact that we have such a strong fundamental situation and a stable government in Delhi, over the next 6 to 12 months, I see a significant recovery happening in the economy as well. A lot, of course, depends on how bad the world remains, but subject to no crisis in the world, I would be positive about India in the medium term. I am personally very excited at Kotak about the future of financial services and the future of all savers and investors putting money into financial instruments. On the stock market, yes, there will be volatility. A lot will depend on when the US Fed increases rates, what happens in China, Japan, Europe. But if you are a patient long-term player, you will find the graph to be steadily up over a period of time. And therefore, on behalf of all of us at Kotak, and in specific Kotak Securities, I welcome you to this wonderful Muhurat and Diwali time and strongly advocate a continuing commitment to financial savings as the core of your portfolio, and equity shares certainly will give you a long-term growth opportunity like no other asset class. Happy New Year to all Kotak customers and wish you all the best